How to replace the system board. Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, disconnect the battery, and WLAN module. Note, some of the cables are secured with Mylar. Be sure to remove the Mylar before you disconnect the cables and set it aside for later use. Removal. Disconnect the following cables from their connectors on the system board. Webcam cable, 2 USB cables, Touchpad cable, Backlight cable, keyboard cable, display panel cable, speaker cable. Remove the 8 P1 Phillips-head screws that secure the system board to the top cover. Carefully lift the bottom edge of the system board off of the alignment pins and slide the external connectors out of the cutouts in the top cover. Turn the system board around. Disconnect the DC in cable from its connector on the system board. Remove the system board. Replacement. Reconnect the DC in cable to its connector on the system board. Turn the system board around. Tow the external connectors on the right side of the system board into the cutouts in the top cover and lower the system board onto its alignment pins. Replace the 8 P1 Phillips-head screws that secure the system board to the top cover. Reconnect the following cables to their connectors on the system board. Speaker cable, display panel cable, keyboard cable, backlight cable, touchpad cable, 2 USB cables, webcam cable. Press down on the Mylar to secure the cables to the system board. Important: after a system board replacement, be sure to complete post-installation tasks as required that may include verifying functionality of the Chromebook, updating DMI and other settings,